Internal Revenue RDO 39 is actually a Bureau of Internal Revenue district serving the South Quezon City. And it is located along 5th floor and 7th floor of the Coher building here in Quezon Avenue, Quezon City, Philippines. But actually, that is not my POV for this afternoon. My POV actually is focused on the lifted order from the court regarding the visit and of course the tax mapping of every BIR individuals, employees, officers alike. Because this has been lifted, expect that this early of 2026, they're gonna have to visit your place, establishment, and of course the business where your business has actually been located. But if ever they were going to visit you, the tax mapping committee, or shall I say team, you must have to see to it that they got the mission order and at the same time, they have their identification card. This is legit as an employee and officers of the Bureau of Internal Revenue. And we must have to remember that during the tax mapping, they will gonna have to check ask for receipts, and then of course the COR, which is the Certificate of Registration, to the BIR, which is Form 2303, that the original will be displayed on the place of the business. But however, the books of accounts also will be inspected, and at the same time, the other documents that has been related to BIR. But definitely they could not conduct audit because it's not an LOA. At the same time, it is not an audit process. It is your discretion that you don't have to divulge your sales within the day or within the month or even in annual sales because it's not been asked on the said tax mapping. But however, there will be list of violations that they're gonna have to let you receive, and then along that list of violations, there will be corresponding charges and penalties that your companies will be charged of because of your violations of not completing the requirements and documents of your business. Again, tax is actually a spices of our business. It is not actually a burden, but it is a responsibility. It helps build the nation. But I'm just hoping that the Philippine leaders and, senators, congressmen, whatsoever, mayors, etc., will not corrupt the money. Because right now, issues has been relevant at the same time, being discussed from time to time, discovered that there are a lot of corruptions in the Philippines. Again, this is Bernadine from BBL Channel TV would like to say, provisions and laws and any laws being executed on the Constitution of the Philippines is actually protecting all the Filipinos and at the same time protecting the constituents of the Philippines. I will always love you.